Guys, imagine going to sleep while your business keeps working without you. AI can write code, prepare a landing page, and keep the project moving while you are offline. That is the idea behind polsiaai AI. I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. This platform works like an AI co-founder that helps you launch a business idea, create the first version, and start finding clients. Today we are going to test this tool from the inside. I'll set up a new project, use the Surprise Me option, and see what the platform can build on its own. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's get into it. Alright folks, we're now inside the Polsia dashboard. The first thing we can see is that the platform is not just an empty workspace. It shows active businesses and companies already being worked on by AI. The platform is already running on more than 8,000 companies. So the idea is not only to generate a concept, but to help build and run the operational structure around it. Now let's set up a new project. I click to create a new company, and here we get an interesting choice. Guys, Polsia asks whether we already have an idea or whether we want AI to come up with one for us. And in case you already have your own idea, you can describe it here. The more specific you are about the product, audience, or business model, the better context the agents have. But for this demo, I want to test the more surprising option. So I click Surprise Me. Basically, I'm asking the tool to set up an idea from scratch and start building around it. And look at this, mates. After about a minute, the platform already starts generating a full company setup. At the top, we can see the terminal, where the platform shows what is happening behind the scenes in real time. We can scroll through the logs and see what the AI is doing step by step. It is planning the company structure, setting up assets, preparing the website, creating documents, and thinking about what the business needs next. We can also see the central brain of the agent. The status says logged in, which means the agent is focused on the task and actively working. Now, friends, let's look at what it made. In the Documents section, Polsia has already created a mission and company overview, plus market research with competitors, opportunities, and possible directions. For a regular founder, this kind of work could take hours or days from a blank page. Next, we have the Website section. The company already has its own domain, and the site is being built in real time. Then we can check the Twitter section, where the tool has already written a first post for social media, formatted and ready to publish. There is also an email section. Folks, Polsia created a company inbox and sent the first welcome email. So in just a few minutes, the platform already turns the idea into a basic operating setup with research, web presence, communication channels, and first launch materials prepared. I did not need to configure the technical side manually, write code, or bring in a separate team for this first setup. Now the tool is working on the landing page. The terminal shows the progress, and after a little more time, the website is ready. The platform also shows that the company is officially live. The final steps are complete. The first task has been scheduled, the welcome email has been sent, and onboarding is finished. Now, mates, let's look at the task list, because this is where Polsia shows what it wants to do next. The first task is to build an autonomous agent for link masking. The second is competitor analysis, where it identified companies like Pretty Links, HubSpot, and Gumloop. The third task is identifying the first potential customers. For this business, the platform suggests beginner affiliate marketers, niche bloggers, and e-commerce sellers. So folks, it is not only launching something and stopping there. It is thinking through who the business should talk to first and what should happen next. Now let's look at the ads section. Here we can see that the campaign is prepared and ready to launch with one click. We can set the daily budget and activate it when we are ready. So the structure starts to look like a real operation: a website, email, market research, as well as social content, tasks, and ads. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Okay, and now let's also look at the application side. Polsia has deployed a technical framework without us touching code. It uses a modern stack with Next, Tailwind, and Prisma, plus security headers and a UI library with a token theme. A human engineer could spend hours or days setting up this kind of foundation. Here, the tool prepared it as part of the automatic launch flow. Of course, mates, this does not mean the business is instantly perfect or ready to scale without review. I would still check the code, test the website, review the copy, and make sure the idea actually makes sense. But as a starting point, it is much faster than opening a blank document and building everything manually. Another useful part is that we can ask Polsia questions while it is working. For example, we can ask what it is currently doing, what it is creating, or what direction it sees for the company. The agent can keep working on the task and still explain its reasoning at the same time. That makes the platform feel more like an active business assistant than a simple generator. Now guys, let's talk about one of the newest features, God Mode. The idea is simple. You set a timer anywhere from 1 hour to 7 days, and Polsia keeps working until the timer runs out or until you stop it. It plans a task, completes it, plans the next one, and keeps going in a loop. No constant check-ins. No asking what should I do next every few minutes. Folks, this is useful for work that needs long focus, whether you're building features, running research, or filling a pipeline. And the longer you let it run, the cheaper it gets per hour. For a solo founder, this is probably one of the most interesting parts. You can give the AI a long-running business task and let it continue execution while you are doing something else. We also have settings for payments and team members. So if the project becomes more serious, you can connect payment services and invite other people to work inside the company. So in less than 15 minutes, starting from zero, Polsia already gives us the basic structure for a working business, from the first launch materials to the technical foundation. So guys, Polsia AI is not just an idea generator. It tries to act more like an AI co-founder that can plan the next steps, prepare launch materials, and keep the project moving. In this demo, it created the first business materials, from website setup and outreach assets to task lists and ads, plus the technical foundation underneath. With God Mode, it can also keep working for a set amount of time without constant check-ins. I would still review everything before treating it as a real business. But for solopreneurs, freelancers, and early-stage founders, this platform can be a useful way to move from idea to execution much faster. And just to be transparent, folks, this video is sponsored by Polsia AI, but I wanted to show the actual workflow from inside the platform so you can see what it builds in practice. The tool is now free to try, with free credits and no credit card required. Visit polsiaai.com to start testing your business idea today. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.